What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel where we highlight rising creators who inspire people to move, grow, and feel good about themselves. Today we're talking about Clare, better known as Clare Pekowski. She's a fitness and lifestyle creator who's built a growing community around consistent training, stylish gym looks, and a positive approach to progress. From sharing her personal journey of building strength to posting simple, motivating fit checks, Clare's content is easy to watch and hard to ignore. If you're looking for someone who makes fitness feel approachable and fun, stick around. Let's dive in. Clare's content sits right at the intersection of fitness and everyday lifestyle. She focuses a lot on glute and lower body training, clean gym outfits, and short, easy-to-watch videos that show both the work and the enjoyment of the process. One of the things that stands out is her openness about her own progress. She's shared her journey of going from 110 pounds to her goal of around 135 pounds of stronger, more muscular physique. Instead of promoting extreme or restrictive approaches, she emphasizes consistency, patience, and celebrating small wins. That message resonates especially well with younger viewers who are looking for realistic inspiration rather than perfection. Her style is simple and visual. Most of her posts are quick fit checks, leg day sessions, or short clips that capture the feeling of a good workout. She partners with fitness apparel brands like FYP and AYBL as an athlete, and her content often features the kind of gym wear many people in her audience like to wear. The focus stays on the training and the lifestyle rather than hard selling. What makes her content effective is how approachable it feels. There's no heavy production or over-the-top claims, just clear footage, natural energy, and a consistent positive tone. She balances strength training with a soft, feminine aesthetic, which many viewers find refreshing in the fitness space. For a lot of young people scrolling for both entertainment and motivation, Clare offers a mix of style, progress, and encouragement. Her content shows that you can take training seriously while still keeping things light and enjoyable. That combination is a big reason her audience continues to grow across Instagram and TikTok. Clare Pekowski is a great example of a young creator building something steadily through consistency and authenticity. She shares real progress, keeps her content simple and watchable, and focuses on the positive side of training and self-improvement. Whether someone is just starting out in the gym or looking for fresh fitness and style inspiration, her videos offer an easy entry point. If you enjoy creators who make fitness feel achievable and uplifting, she's definitely worth checking out.